Decentralized finance, DeFi platforms and lending protocols are empowering new financial models. From peer-to-peer payments to prediction markets, DeFi uses security protocols, connectivity and software advancements to replace centralized financial services. Unlike traditional financial instruments that rely on trusted intermediaries, DeFi is composed of tokenized assets that can be traded on DEX, pooled and lent to compound money market protocols for interest. 1. Empowering individuals. One of the key components of empowerment is giving people a voice. When people can speak out about their issues and demands, they can create a positive change in their lives. They can demand equal access to public services, education and employment opportunities. This can lead to better social and economic outcomes for the entire community. Empowerment also enables people to make their own decisions and take responsibility for their actions. This can be achieved through education, mentorship, and advocacy campaigns. Empowerment promotes equality and gives marginalized individuals the opportunity to become leaders and role models in their communities. Another way to empower individuals is through the use of technology. The blockchain is a powerful tool that can be used to reinvent financial services and build decentralized applications. It can provide transparency, efficiency, and inclusivity by removing barriers to entry for new users. It can also enable new types of investments, such as lending, pool protocols, prediction markets, and DEX. The blockchain can also help to reduce the need for intermediaries by reducing costs and enabling faster transactions. In addition, it can provide higher yields for investors due to its programmability and composability. These features have attracted many people to the space, especially those who want to earn more from their savings accounts. Despite its potential, the decentralized finance sector faces challenges. Many of these are related to the lack of regulatory control. This can complicate investor protection, anti-money laundering procedures, and market stability. The industry must work together with regulators to establish clear regulations and ensure security measures are implemented. This will reassure consumers that their money is safe in DeFi and encourage more people to join the movement. 2. Transparency. The popularity of DeFi is fueled by the desire for financial services that are more transparent and efficient than traditional institutions. DeFi allows users to take control of their finances by eliminating the need for intermediaries and enabling them to make and receive payments without fees or delays. DeFi applications built on top of blockchain technology allow for the exchange of assets such as cryptocurrencies or tokens without needing to know or trust any particular party in the process. The blockchain also provides the opportunity to create DeFi platforms that can be used globally and without geographic restrictions. This enables the hundreds of millions around the world who don't have access to banks to finally be able to participate in global financial markets. While DeFi offers greater transparency, efficiency, and accessibility than traditional finance, it does face challenges. For example, it often involves cryptocurrencies, which are known for price volatility and can be vulnerable to hacking and other bad actor exploits. Regulatory uncertainty can also impact the growth of DeFi, as it makes it harder for new participants to gain confidence in the space. Another challenge is scalability, as DeFi protocols are often built on blockchain networks that can be subject to congestion and slowdown. To address these issues, DeFi developers must develop ways to improve the speed and efficiency of their products while maintaining robust security measures. In order to grow, DeFi should work with established institutions to provide a bridge between old and new financial paradigms. Institutions can learn from the innovation, transparency, and inclusivity that is offered by DeFi, while taking advantage of the regulatory compliance and customer bases that they already have in place. In this way, DeFi can be the foundation for a new type of hybrid financial system that combines the best of both worlds. 3. Security. As DeFi grows and becomes more popular, the sector is focusing on security measures to reassure users that their funds are safe. This includes improving anti-hacking protections, bolstering user authentication, and closing security gaps in the smart contract code. In addition, the industry is working with regulators to ensure that DeFi is regulated appropriately and that investor protection and anti-money laundering (AML) procedures are followed. Ultimately, DeFi poses significant challenges to traditional finance. It operates in a legal grey area which can complicate investor protection and regulatory compliance. In addition, DeFi protocols are often complex and may have bugs or vulnerabilities that could cause catastrophic losses for investors. However, many of these risks can be mitigated by following best practices and implementing safeguards such as code audits, bug bounties, and insurance. Democratization of finance. By eliminating the need for gatekeepers and intermediaries, DeFi can provide access to financial services for millions of people who are currently excluded or underserved by traditional institutions. In addition, it can foster innovation and experimentation in the financial sector and unlock new opportunities for consumers, entrepreneurs, and investors alike. DeFi also promotes financial inclusion by empowering individuals to borrow, invest, and trade with each other without the need for a bank account or identity verification. This can reduce costs and barriers to entry and lead to a more equitable distribution of wealth in society. DeFi is still in its early stages and the pace of innovation is accelerating rapidly. This presents opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors, but it's important to do your homework before investing. Conducting thorough due diligence on a project's tokenomics, governance structures, and risk-reward profiles is essential to make wise decisions. 4. Interoperability. As DeFi expands, it has begun to remove the limitations of traditional finance. DeFi platforms and protocols enable users to access financial services regardless of their location, identity, or credit history. They are also resistant to censorship and shutdown because they are maintained by a large number of network participants. Furthermore, these systems offer a high level of security and transparency, with all transactions recorded on a blockchain that can be verified by anyone. This enables new products and services like yield farming, staking, and liquidity pools to be created. These innovations allow users to earn passive income from their investments and incentivize participation in the DeFi ecosystem. They also help to reduce costs and improve scalability. These features are attracting new investors and businesses to the space. However, many still face challenges that must be addressed to increase adoption and widen the scope of DeFi. These include scalability, security, and user education. DeFi is a growing sector with immense potential, transforming how we save, invest, and transact. It's also reshaping global economics and creating opportunities for people who were previously excluded from the financial system. Blockchain technology is the foundation of DeFi, enabling a trusted, transparent ledger for financial transactions that execute autonomously without any intermediaries. DeFi technologies can be built on top of blockchains and other infrastructures, such as dApps, DAOs, and decentralized exchanges, DEX. These tools are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, empowering them to access the full potential of financial freedom. These tools have many benefits, such as eliminating intermediaries and providing low-cost, fast, and secure transactions. This makes them especially appealing to those in developing countries who struggle with limited banking infrastructure and higher interest rates. 5. Accessibility. With its focus on decentralization, DeFi offers a unique opportunity to address the problems faced by the unbanked. It allows people without access to traditional finance to engage in financial activities via their smartphones without the need for a bank account. This can revolutionize financial inclusion for billions of people who lack access to banking and financial services. However, the DeFi sector faces a number of challenges which must be addressed in order to achieve its full potential. One of the most important issues is user-friendliness, which is critical to expanding DeFi's appeal beyond its crypto-native community. At present, the intricate user interfaces of DeFi products discourage newcomers and serve as significant barriers to entry. By implementing robust security measures, providing educational resources, and working towards regulatory clarity, DeFi can make major strides toward becoming more user-friendly. Another challenge is the stagnation of DeFi projects, which is hampering their growth and sustainability. The problem is exacerbated by the lack of effective mechanisms to accrue value for users. DeFi projects must explore innovative approaches that transcend the conventional methods of value accumulation and empower gamers to build virtual empires. This is possible through the emergence of DeFi Immorts games such as Farsight Expanding Galaxies, which offer an immersive experience that enables players to build a powerful virtual empire and amass valuable resources, all while earning real-world rewards. Despite the challenges, DeFi is on the verge of entering the mainstream. With the growing interest in stablecoins, big companies such as Square are partnering with DeFi projects, and the old guard of Wall Street is hedging their bets on the future of money by investing in crypto. The next step in the evolution of DeFi will be its integration with existing financial infrastructure, which is likely to be spearheaded by large US banks and payment giants like PayPal.